Alright, so my name is Libby Brown and this is gonna be my monologue. Oh, before I start, there's gonna be like a bed, like right here. And there's like a window and stuff, and we are in the hospital, okay. Oh, also, there will be like doorway, and when even you go out, you will see the hallway. And oh, I know. Okay, I just sitting like right here in this chair, and I just looking at this bed. Okay. Oh, I don't start here. I start in the hallway. Okay. Hi, Billy. It's Libby. Oh God, I mean to say Susan. Can I just start over?